Hello everybody and welcome to another edition of Drew's Food Reviews, and today I've got another episode of Search for Snacks. Found this at grocery outlet. It was kind of on sale. I've actually seen these before in the regular grocery store and they were like $4.99. They were on sale for, I believe it was only $1.99 grocery outlet. Things, when they get there, they tend to go down in price a little bit. I don't know, either close out or not popular or whatever, but this is Cheez-It's loaded popcorn cheddar and made with 100% real cheese. Yeah, 170 calories, 300 milligrams sodium, 0.5 saturated fat, all that fun stuff. And it says we're pretty cheese obsessed, so when Cheez-Its meets popcorn, prepare your taste buds for the 100% real big cheese taste you've been waiting for. Craving more? Keep on cheesing with loaded popcorn and white cheddar. They didn't have white cheddar, they only had this one. Like I said, I might have seen it at the regular store. You might be able to still find it at the regular store, but try this one for you. Popcorn. And these look, wow, they're pretty cool. And you do get quite a bit. Pretty build up to there with it. Not air in this one, more popcorn than air. Sometimes it's like way down low. It's actually pretty good. All right, so here's a typical one. Kind of weird. They're like popcorn balls. Normally the popcorn's like all spiky and weird like that, but this one, I guess they've specially designed it, engineered. Genetic popcorn. Here we go. Now that different compared to the Cheetos popcorn. Does have that Cheez-it kind of flavor to it. Could really taste that cheddar. Oh. Most of that hull is gone on that one. Looks like they pop up pretty good. Quite cheesy, yes, loaded. It's a little different than like the Cheetos flavors, but I like that. Pretty cool. Not too salty, mostly catching that cheddar. It's like the mac and cheese kind of powdery, but I'm gonna see. Now, I've just coated on the outside, the middle still popcorn. Not bad. Probably would get this again, provided I could find it for $1.99 again. I wouldn't want to pay $5-6, but it's not bad. It is a good cheese snack. The popcorn pretty much dissolves, and you still get a little bit of that cheddar taste. Comparable, like I said, to the Cheez-Its. I kind of prefer the crackers. I don't know, something about those Cheez-It crackers or the Goldfish. Kind of along the same line, but that was not bad. So for that one, the Cheez-Its loaded popcorn cheddar, 8 out of 11. I ate the bag. So yes, it is pretty good, and it was good, a fair amount in here. So yeah, if you can find them in your store, go check it out. If you like popcorn, you like cheddar popcorn, go for it. Cheez-Its are a little bit different flavor, but this is pretty good and worth a try, especially if you like the popcorn. So there you go, guys. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and the notification bell over here. That way you won't miss any future content, or if I go live, you won't miss the fun. So until next time, on Drew's Food Reviews, when I'll be trying something new and loaded for you. have a few more of these, and then I'll put it away for another time. So until next time, guys, talk to you later.